Dear students, welcome to our new course, Introduction to Python Programming. In this course, there are 5 modules. In module number 1, Python basic concepts, flow control, functions, these concepts are covered. In module number 2, list, dictionary, tuple data structures are covered. In module number 3, string manipulations, file handling operations are covered. In module number 4, file organizations and debugging concepts are covered. In module number 5, class, object, functions, method, these concepts are covered. You can join this course by using our LMS app. Name of our LMS app is A2Lytics. This app is available in Google Play Store. Search this app and download it. By using your name, mobile number, email ID, you can register yourself. After registration, you can log in by using your mobile number or email ID. Once you log in, you will find various courses. Search this course, Introduction to Python Programming, and start learning. For more information, you can call on this number. Also, you can send a WhatsApp message to this number. Also, you can send email message to this given email ID. In this course, you are going to get these things: module-wise recorded videos, module-wise short notes, model question papers, question banks, PYQ solved question papers. Also, there will be a module-wise doubt clearing sessions. The price of the course is just 100 rupees. You can join this course by using given URL. Also, QR code is given. By using this QR code, you can scan it and join the course. Also, the link for the course is given in the description box. Click on the link and join this Python programming course and start learning. Thank you.